Hey guys, so this is Nathan, and this is AOC1 Week 2. So it's Project 2. So this week, what we had to do was we basically had to show we knew how to make and modify different UI elements, specifically using UI labels. We also had to show that we could put certain objects using a ns array into a mutable string, and also put that into a label. So I'll just show you what I did first. So do it on the iPhone because I didn't do it for iPad because I'm not cool. It was a relatively laid back project, I felt. It wasn't anything super fancy. Okay, so here it is. I try to make it as not eye-jarring as possible by keeping the colors similar. It's actually the part I spent the most time with, probably, was just doing colors. I made use of the little converter that we were provided with, and it was pretty awesome, so I don't just have random stuff. But, here's my book, Eye of the World, author, published, summary. I actually went back and changed published because at first I thought it was asking for publisher. And then you have a list of items. It's working. And okay, so I'll actually go into the code now. So here's all the stuff for the title, author. I kind of feel like I organized it well. I think it could have been better organized, but I think it's still relatively efficient how I did it. Not quite as clean as some of the codes that I've seen from other classmates. But, I'm kind of highlighting it, but you have author, published, summary, and then the list. And in the list of items, you also see you have my array right here, and then you have the mutable string right there, and then you have my for loop that puts it into it. This basically just makes it so that it looks nice and gets put into where it needs to be. You have the comma, you have the dot, dot, dot. It's really nothing complicated, nothing fancy going on, like I said. And I'm happy with it, but there's one thing I really wish I would have done, and that's I wish I would have made it responsive. You can see I have the whole lame 1 times 2 times thing type going on for iPad. So I really wish I would have gone in and actually made that responsive. I saw at least one classmate do that. I'm not going to say names. I don't know if they want to or not, but they're pretty awesome. But I looked at it and it looked like something that if I would have spent more time on it, I probably would have figured out eventually and gotten it to work. So I do wish I would have done that, but other than that tidbit, I'm really happy with how it turned out. It doesn't look scary, and overall it worked out right. Anyways, I look forward to next week's project and talking to you guys again then, and I hope you have a good week. Goodbye.